Health care reform didn't exactly work out in 94. The Democrats paid a big price, and Newt Gingrich and the Republican Revolution came back. So I guess the question for you, Candy, is how is Barack Obama, if in fact he does win, and if there are significant Democratic majorities in the House and the Senate, going to be able to avoid the pain that Bill Clinton faced in 93 and 94?
It's snowing!
Well,
it's snowing!
Of how small a minority Republicans may or may not be in the Senate or in the House, they still have microphones. And so...
Yes, folks, the first real snowfall. Those little white flecks that you're seeing going across your screen, that's not screen fuzz. That's snowfall. It's dumping. We're getting nuked. That's a great day here. Maybe I should go sledding tonight. Possibly.